Baby has grown. Here is the head, where the bones were closed, which is good. Then now the baby is looking at you. Here are 2 eye holes. So, here's the heart. Then here is the filled bladder, which means the kidneys work, and this is the filled stomach. So this is the belly of the baby.
Hello guys! Welcome back again to our channel! So nagtataka kayo bakit tayo may balloon? Kasi nga mag gender reveal na kami. Kaya lang itong gender reveal namin late na mga mamshi. Nakatulog ako, tapos pagkagising ko, sabi ni Mr. kailangan na namin mag gender reveal kasi puputok ito. Sabi niya, ngayong araw lang itong balon na ito. Hindi na daw ito pwede bukas. Kasi ang sabi ko kay Mr. bukas yung gender reveal kasi nga magluluto ako. Eh, late na nasabi ni Mr. Ayan, palpak. Pero tuloy pa rin ang gender reveal. So, what can you say about our gender reveal? It's our first gender reveal.
Actually, Olivia, wait a moment. In 2013, when Erica was pregnant with Jamie, we went to the doctor 6 times for our ultrasound. Every time we went to the doctor changed his mind. Boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. So finally, before Jamie was born, we didn't know what kind of names we should choose. That's why we choose Jamie, because Jamie, you can use it for a boy and for a girl. Because the doctor was undecided, boy or girl, we also were undecided. But we took the name Jamie, which is good for boys and girls.
And it's also from Jamie Oliver.
Okay. And in 2015, when Olivia was born, we went also to the ultrasound. But the machines were not properly working. So the doctor didn't have any chance to see whether it's a boy or a girl. That's why we didn't know when it's coming. And this time, we know it. We know it. And that's why
100%.
It's 100% sure.
Yes. So, we will ask first the kids. Jamie, you want, it's a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Olivia, it's a boy?
Girl.
A girl. So what if it's a boy, Olivia? You will cry?
When's the girl I'm not crying? Then we have to fight after you.
You will fight? No fighting.
Yes, Mama.
No fighting.
Yes, Mama.
But it doesn't matter if it's a boy or a girl.
We are happy.
We are happy.
Anyway.
Yeah.
We will also take twins if there is.
And twins
As long as it's
color.
healthy.
As long as it is healthy, as long as we are
that is
happy, our family, and after this we are 5. So,
Wait.
What do you guess?
Comment down below. Comment down below kung ano yung baby namin. Baby girl or baby boy?
Baby boy.
Baby girl.
Baby girl.
Baby boy.
So mommy's
Jamie is a baby boy. Olivia is a baby girl.
So what's your guess, Mama?
Mommy knows it.
What's your guess?
Moment. Ano lang to mga mamshi, simpleng lang to, gender reveal.
Is your choose?
Walang kaitsusan, hindi naman to bungacious kasi nga dapat bukas yung ko plano Mr. Kasalanan ni Mr.
And today I got a new toy.
Yeah. Wait. At wala namang requirement si YouTube na kailangan bonggang-bongga ang gender reveal, di ba? Wala naman. So ang importante may announce namin yung gender ng aming baby number 3. So, ready now?
Yes.
Who's scratching the ball?
Okay.
The balloon?
We need a needle.
Needle or fork, needles with this.
Stand up here, Kuya.
The moment of truth.
Here.
Whether it's a boy
Here, sit
or a
down here.
girl.
I stand up.
You will see it soon.
Here, Olivia.
Okay.
Closer.
Okay, I'll count 3, 0, 3.
Moment.
2.
Tatanungin muna natin yung ating subscribers. Are you ready, guys?
Are you ready, guys?
Yes, 3.
Ayaw magpawal yung dalawa.
1, go!
Wait. Okay, one more.
Yeah. 3.
Come here,
2. Go!
No. 1.
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, it's a boy, Olivia. Wala pa. It's only a joke. Okay, I will count.
1.
I am the one. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, it's a boy, Olivia. Okay.
Pop it now.
Okay, I will now. Seriously now. Come on. Move. Here, Kuya.
2.
Here. Okay. 1, 2, 3,
Go!
What it is,
What
color?
is this? Nakita nyo guys? Kasi nga,
It's a girl
it's a
again.
girl! No, it's a boy!
It's a girl.
A girl! Yay! It's a girl, Kuya!
It's a girl.
Hindi nyo makita yung confetti kasi nga dark na dito sa loob ng aming apartment. It's not done! It's a baby girl, mga mamshi, yung aming baby number 3.
It's like, I think it's boy, girl, boy, girl.
No.
It's a girl. So, ayun mga mamshi, baby girl ang aming baby number 3. Walang hindi po. Yay! May si Mr. Tres Marias.
Tres Marias.
Jamie is the only boy sa kanilang magpipinsan.
Baby number 5 would be also a boy.
No more baby number 5. Only baby number 3. That is
No,
right.
baby number 5.
Daddy. So, ayan yung ating baby gender reveal, mga mamshi. Medyo lang kasi hindi nyo nakita yung hindi nyo masyadong nakita yung confetti kasi nga dark na dito sa loob. Kasi late na itong aming gender reveal. So, thank you again mga mamshi for watching our video.